Starting to get real.
Rough little guess. About 10 inches.
About 10 inches. All right, so we are ready for concrete. We got our concrete forms built. Today was grading and compacting. We had 3 truckloads brought in of soil, and they compacted it really nice. Looks really good. It's really feeling really solid right now. This is the apron. That's concrete. We didn't need any dirt here. There will be a little bit of a slope there. It's 8 foot long, and it's the whole width of the building. And then the rest of this feels really solid already. And here you see the required 12-inch footer around the perimeter of the slab. I also had them dig 2 8-inch deep footers for where the 2-post lift could go. And here they're putting down the visqueen for the vapor barrier. And of course, guest appearance by Pipes, aka Piper. And they've got the rebar set into the footer now. And also where the 2-post lift will be. And today's the day. Here you can see the notched edge all around the perimeter of the slab. The metal siding will sit 1.5 inches lower than the framing, which will prevent water intrusion along the bottom. And here they've got the speed cranked up for their 5th pass to really get that extra shine on the finish. And TJ and his crew were back early the next morning to do the relief cuts. and rain came 2 days later. Perfect timing, allowing the concrete to cure nice and strong. It's going to look great. Not slippery at all. I was a little concerned, but it's not. At least not in these shoes. Proof of the slab has been sent to the building company. They're going to start manufacturing it. They gave us an estimate of 8 to 10 weeks. I'm hoping it's more like 6 to 8. Thanks for watching.